Mackay has been bowling good Yorkers. And he's gone down the ground. I think it's massive. He has cleared it. That is a phenomenal hit from Dhoni. Maybe he's timed it to perfection.
Unbelievable cricket. Really unbelievable.
Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Well, the captain producing something special. Have a look at the bat speed here.
Wow, out of the park. The helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper.
Absolutely magnificent. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after 28 years. The parties start in the dressing room, and it's an Indian captain who's been absolutely magnificent in the night of the final.
Well, he's
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fielder trying to get underneath it. And he's got
just there you go.
Dhoni this time, my goodness. Well, I don't know what I've seen. Incredible, 44 guy. That's just nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone.
On this time, got close enough to the pitch on this occasion and went through with a shot. That's 6 more.
I liked your comparison. Compare Dhoni to Afridi.
Here's Bradley. The slower delivery is launched into it, and it's a biggie. But they need a lot more of this.
Well, I think that sort of pace is going to be, and the batsmen will be a lot happier with that.
It goes again. He's got the height. Has he got the distance? Yes.
Well, we said he hadn't gone aerial yet, Dhoni. He has now.
Adam Grandstein.
out of here.
Well, look at the follow-through, Douche. Look at that. Once he actually makes the strike, he gets such a lot of speed through the strike zone. Turkle. And again. And again. That has left the suburb.